This is the Volvo Concept Truck. Thanks to leading-edge driveline technology and improved aerodynamics, this hybrid vehicle can save up to 30% in fuel consumption and emissions, including CO2. A key factor behind this improvement is Volvo's first hybrid powertrain for heavy-duty trucks in long-haul applications. So how does it work? The hybrid powertrain recovers energy when driving downhill on slopes steeper than 1% or when braking. The energy is stored in the vehicle's batteries and is used to power the truck on flat roads or low gradients. An enhanced version of Volvo Trucks' IC system can predict the road ahead as far as 5 kilometers. By using information from the GPS, topographic data and expected speed, the system calculates the most efficient use of both the diesel engine and the electric motor, as well as when to charge or use the recovered energy. The hybrid powertrain will allow the combustion engine to be shut off for nearly a third of the driving time. This can save 5 to 10% in fuel, depending on the drive cycle. It can also be used in full electric mode for up to 10 kilometers, which means zero emissions and lower noise levels. The hybrid powertrain has been developed for the Volvo Concept Truck. The ambition is to continue research and development for implementation in future long-haul truck models.